We have just acquired this BMW 320 GT M Sport diesel. It's in absolutely fantastic condition. It looks and drives absolutely superb. Nothing like the mileage. It's got a full service history. It's got about £8,000 worth of factory extras. We've got the spoiler there that can go up or down manually or at speed. It's got the electric tailgate. All the boot area is immaculate. No marks on the rear bumper. You've got rear park distance control. Alloy wheels, diamond cut style, absolutely unblemished. Electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather seats with the red stitched piping. It's done 116,730 miles. It's got factory satellite navigation. It's got 3-stage heated seats, park distance control, Bluetooth, telephone, full media pack, menu, vehicle information, vehicle status. So everything's okay there. Service histories all on the iDrive, plus we've got some invoices. Different driving modes: Sport, Eco, Pro or Comfort. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, minus or plus. Cruise control, climate control, auto headlights. Really is in lovely condition. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.